I feel like I wasn't making any progress towards my goals and dreams and ambitions. But as soon as I started doing these things I'm about to tell you, I instantly felt like I was making progress every single day. Imagine going to bed knowing you did so many things, and then before you realize you're actually doing it. And this is exactly how I felt. I went from being this guy who didn't make any money online, didn't talk to anyone, and I didn't think any of these things were possible. My name's Timothy, and I really feel like I'm making progress in my life. Starting to make money, starting to talk to more girls, starting to put myself out there more and live that life that we both want to have. If you like the vibe I'm in, consider subscribing because I post videos like these every single day to try to give you something to think about. But the reason why I couldn't do the things that I wanted to do, make money, talk to girls and stuff, was because I wasn't confident. What I decided to do was do it. Even if I wasn't confident in doing it, I had to start somewhere, right? So I started out by asking some random cashier if I can have anything for free. All right, we're going to Royal Farms and asking if I can get something for free there. See if I- Hello? Put myself out there in a vulnerable way because he's probably just gonna say no and he's probably just gonna tell me to leave. Hello? I have a question. Do you think I could get anything for free?
Like what?
I don't know, just like a snack or
Food or
something.
something?
Yeah.
What you want?
I don't know. Do you have gum?
You want that? You want that?
Yeah.
You don't want food? I get you some food if you want.
I
You want
sure.
chicken or something?
Yeah, I'll take chicken.
What kind? Which kind do you want? City fries?
I don't know. What would you recommend?
Um,
I'll just take the one in the middle.
This one?
Yeah.
You want spicy tenders?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You gonna get it for you?
All right, thank you. Is that for me? Thank you so much. Thank you. Yep. Have a good day, man. We actually got it, bro. We got like 6 pieces of chicken, bro. Oh my gosh, that is such W. W. Oh my god. W, W, W. Oh my gosh. Yo. I'm actually so hyped I did this. Let's go, bro. Let's freaking go. W. But because I did that, I actually got 6 pieces of chicken. It made me realize how powerful it is to actually talk to people because there's so many opportunities when you are able to talk to people. You're able to get free food, this happens. As I was playing catch with one of my friends after school, I saw these 2 people that, looked nice and my friend dared me to talk to them and ask them to play football. At first, I really didn't want to because I thought it was weird, cringe. They didn't want to anyway, so there's no point. But I just started to realize, well, the last time I went up to a random stranger, it went pretty well, and I felt like I developed myself a lot more from that day. So I'm just gonna do it again. So I asked this person if he's interested in playing some catch. The most wholesome thing happens. He doesn't let us play catch, really. He doesn't give me free chicken or something, but he's playing with a deaf man. He's training him up to just have some fun outside, play some basketball with this deaf man. I do throw the ball a little bit to him, and it's honestly fun, and I'm so glad I did it. I just said goodbye to him, thanks. It really made me realize how nice people are. And then the next time I went out, I saw this guy walking around just in circles listening to something, and I just asked him if he wanted to play soccer, just like soccer, football. And he was like, no, no, no. And I already knew he was going to say no. But that's the thing I feel like we have to start doing. Start talking to people even when we don't really have to, even when we already know they're going to say no. Putting yourself out there more and expecting rejection, expecting the conversation to go in the way you don't really want to. When that happens and you still talk to people, that's how you're going to get more confident and that's how you're going to feel like you're progressing towards your goals. But some days I would feel bored and I wasn't sure what to do. So I decided to try something that gave me literal tears when I did it. Made me feel like I was playing some video game and enjoying my life way much more. I don't even know if that's a sentence, but it was biking around. speeding around, going downhill, bro. That's the best feeling ever when you're going downhill on the bike after you've been biking uphill. The annoying bumpy sidewalks, and then you finally go downhill and it feels amazing. Somehow I haven't crashed yet. And also just discovering cool little spots and places I can talk to you right now or explore what's around me. And then even going to the store with my bike, buying some almond butter and then putting it in my backpack and coming home. After I've been doing these two things for a while, it finally felt like it was time to make my first dollar online. So after asking some people if they're interested in my coaching, one of them actually said yes. So he pays me for it and we start doing it, and I just feel so hyped. I feel like this 0 to 1 improvement in my life, which you don't really get many of those in your life. It really shaped what I thought was possible. After I was talking to people, going in cool places by myself, and actually starting to make money online, my own money. My parents didn't give me that. It wasn't some birthday present. It was my own money that I got from what I did. And that just felt so great. As well as getting some money from selling stuff at school, like candies, or I sold my Brawl Stars account, sold my Wii, sold my Switch, sold some games on there, and made a couple $100s from that, so it's honestly cool. So getting some money by yourself, not gifted to you, not handed to you on a plate, that's going to make you so much more confident and feel like you're actually progressing to living that life that you want to live. All of these things I'm able to do was because I'm socially active, because I kept talking to people, kept using the opportunities that I had in school when there's 20 people in my class, talking to one of them instead of going on my phone or waiting for the bus ride to be over and actually just talking to someone on the bus, acknowledging people's presence and actually saying hi to them, actually talking to them like a normal human being. That's what really made it. So I'm doing these cool things, biking around, making money, asking strangers goofy things. And all of these are possible because I talk to people. And if you want a way to talk to people right now with hundreds of people, the easiest way to get more confident and socially activate you so you can do these other things, join that like-minded club in the description right now. I'm in there, hundreds of other people in there, and we all want to get better. Why don't you ask someone a funny question there? Ask them if you want to hold each other accountable, do cool things in your life. Wouldn't that just be such a cool thing that you can do? And you can do it literally right now. So join that like-minded club in the description right now, bro. I can't wait to see you in there. And if you want to know what I do to make money and what I offer, I do coaching to help you quit your bad habits like scrolling, relapsing, video games, all those things. And I hold you accountable every single day with that. So if you want to know more about it, find the time to book a call that fits you in that Calendly link. Hope to see you there as well, and hope you have a great rest of your day. I gotta go to school. I didn't even eat anything. I gotta go to school. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Gotta talk to some more people at school, build that confidence up and do more things in my life. Peace.